Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Atithi Global Academy. In this video, the chapter number 2nd of class 6 and that is factors and multiples. In the last video, we have completed exercise 2D. So now let's see the next concept of exercise 2E. So next topic is LCM. LCM. Lowest common multiple. So स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एलसीएम. एलसीएम लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. ओके, सो एलसीएम इज द लोवेस्ट कॉमन multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the numbers. So student, what is a LCM? So the lowest common multiples of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the numbers. For example, find the LCM of 4 and 6. So student, for example, find the LCM of 4 and 6. So first of all, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are, so first multiple 4, second 8, next 12, next 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and next multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are, so first multiple 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, so next common multiples of 4 and 6. So common multiples 12, next common multiples 24, next 36. So common multiples of 4 and 6 are, so first common multiples is, first is 12, next 24, next 36. So common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. So next हो जाएगा लोवेस्ट कॉमन multiples of 4 and 6 is, so lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12 and 12 and 12. This is answer. So hence LCM of 4 and 6 is 12 and 12 this is answer. Okay, so student, LCM, lowest common multiples. So the lowest common multiples of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiples of each of the numbers. For example, find the LCM of 4 and 6. So first of all, multiples of 4. So 4 multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Next, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. नेक्स्ट करेंगे कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 एंड 6. सो 4 एंड 6 में कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, सो फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स 12 है, नेक्स्ट 24 और नेक्स्ट 36. ओके, सो लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 एंड 6. सो टोटल, सो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 12 है, 24 एंड 36, बट लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स इज 12 है. ओके, एंड 12 है, दिस इज आंसर. तो हेंस LCM of 4 and 6 is 12 and 12, this is answer. Okay students. So student, next to find the LCM. So to find the LCM by prime factorization methods. So LCM find करना है prime factorization method से. Okay. So to find the LCM of two or more given numbers, we write the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. So then the required LCM of this number is the product of all different prime factors of the numbers using the greatest power of each of the prime factors. So student, so for example, तो स्टूडेंट LCM होगा द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल डिफरेंट प्राइम फैक्टर्स. सो ऑल डिफरेंट प्राइम फैक्टर्स का प्रोडक्ट एंड यूजिंग द ग्रेटेस्ट पावर ऑफ ईच ऑफ द कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 2, फॉर एग्जांपल फाइंड द LCM, फाइंड द LCM of 24, 36 and 40 by the prime factorization method. So student, for example, find the LCM of 24, 36 and 40 by the prime factorization methods. So answer is, so first number 24. So 24 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2 से डिवाइड, 12 है, अगेन 2 से 6, 2 से 3, 3 से 1. सो 24 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. So equal to 2 into 2 into 2, so 2 की पावर 3 into 3. Okay, next 36. So prime factorization of 36. So first of all 2 से डिवाइड, 18, 2 से 9, 3 से 3, अगेन 3 से 1. So prime factorization of 36, 2 into 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. सो 2 इंटू 2, 2 का स्क्वायर इंटू 3 इंटू 3, 3 की पावर 2. एंड नेक्स्ट नंबर 40. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 40 इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 5. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 की पावर 3 into 5. Okay. So LCM equal to, So the required LCM of this number is the product of all different prime factorization. So all prime factorization 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So all different prime factors. So 2, 3 and 5. All different prime factors of the numbers using the greatest power of each common prime factor. So first prime factor 2. So 2 की greatest power. So 2 की greatest power is 3. Okay. So 2 की greatest power is 3. Next prime factor 3. 3 की greatest power 2. And 2 की 3 and 3 की power 2. And next prime factor 5. And 5 की greatest power is only for 5 की power 1. So 5 की power 1. So 2 की power 3 8 multiply 3 की power 2 9 multiply 5. So 8 into 5. So 8 into 5 40 into 9. So 4 into 9 36 0. So LCM equal to 360. Okay. So hence the LCM of 24, 36 and 40 is 360 and this is answer. Okay students. So first of all find the LCM by prime factorization methods. Okay. So the required LCM of this number is the product of all different prime factor of the numbers and using the greatest power of each common prime factors. Okay. So student, next to find LCM by division methods. So next to find LCM by डिवीजन मेथड्स को डायरेक्ट एक्सप्लेन करेंगे बाय एग्जांपल्स. सो एग्जांपल्स इज फाइंड द LCM of, so find the LCM of 12, 15, 20, 27 by the division methods. So student, find the LCM. LCM find करना है नंबर 12, 15, 20, 27 and by the division methods. Okay. So answer is, so division methods के अंदर नंबर गिवन है 12, 15, 20 and 27. So first of all smallest prime number is 2. So first of all 2 से डिवाइड. सो 2 से 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे 6. 2 से 15 डिवाइड नहीं होगा. सो सेम 15. अगेन 2 से 20 10 टाइम्स एंड नेक्स्ट 27 डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो 27 सेम. ओके. अगेन 2 से डिवाइड. 2 से 6 को 3, 15 सेम. 2 से 10 को 5 एंड 27 सेम. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 3. तो 3 से डिवाइड. 3 से 1. 3 से 5 टाइम 5 सेम एंड 27 9 टाइम. ओके. अगेन 3 से 1 5 सेम. अगेन 5 सेम एंड 9. 3 3 जा 9. अगेन 3 से 1 5 5 सेम एंड 1. एंड नेक्स्ट 5 से 1 1 1 and 1. Okay. So prime factorization of total 12 है. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27 into 5. So 4 into 5 20 into 27. So 27 to the 54 and 0. So LCM equal to 540. Okay, so hence the LCM of the given number is 540, and 540 this is answer. Okay, so student, to find the LCM by division methods, so division method से LCM फाइंड करेंगे तो नंबर 12 है, 15, 20 एंड 27 का LCM आ जाएगा 540 एंड 540 दिस इज आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट इज properties of HCF and LCM of given number. So student, next topic है properties of HCF and LCM of given numbers. So first property is the HCF of coprimes. The HCF of coprimes is 1. So student, first property is the HCF of coprimes is 1. And next, second property, the HCF of a group of numbers, the HCF of a group of numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers. So student, second property is the HCF of a group of a numbers, the HCF of a group of a numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers. Okay, so जो HCF होगा किसी भी ग्रुप का वो इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन होगा जो गिवन नंबर है उनसे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, the LCM of a group of numbers, the LCM of a group of numbers is not less than any of the given number. So next property number third, the LCM of a group of numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. So means जो भी LCM होगा वो is not less than होगा of any given numbers. Okay, so जो भी given number है उनसे not less than होगा LCM. Next property fourth. So the LCM of two coprime, the LCM of two coprimes, so the LCM of two coprimes is equal to their product. So student, next property है the LCM of two coprimes, so LCM of two coprimes is equal होगा to their product, जो भी coprimes नंबर है उनका प्रोडक्ट इक्वल होगा LCM. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी फिफ्थ, द HCF of a number, the HCF of a group of numbers is always a factor of their LCM. So student, next property, the HCF of a group of number, is always a factor of their LCM. Okay, and next, last property, so last property is, so the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. So student, the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. Okay, so student, properties of HCF and LCM of given numbers. So last property, the product of LCM and HCF. So फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा इसका LCM into HCF इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर into सेकेंड नंबर. ओके, सो LCM into HCF equal to first number into second number. So LCM equal to product of two numbers upon HCF, and next फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा HCF equal to product of two numbers upon LCM. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए LCM इंटू HCF, यहाँ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ LCM इंटू HCF अपॉन सेकेंड नंबर, एंड सेकेंड नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ LCM इंटू HCF अपॉन फर्स्ट नंबर. ओके, so student, properties of HCF and LCM of given number is complete, and next exercise 2E in next class.